Yeah, I'm granting the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing as to count one, the burglary with an assault or battery. It's no bond. You're gonna have to see a division judge on Monday. That judge will set a final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention. It's Judge Millian. Count two, there's probable cause for criminal mischief. I don't see a value. $150 bond on that. Good luck to you, ma'am.
She's told she'll stay in jail until another judge hears the case. Then she breaks down and cries. Moments later, the judge says she's feeling benevolent today, denies the state's motion, and sends her home on house arrest instead. Wouldn't it be nice if crime worked for everyone like this?
Good morning, Obregon. You were arrested for burglary with an assault or battery and criminal mischief. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me review for probable cause. You had to get in. Oh, you didn't have one here, a motion?
I did file a motion,
You got a key.
but I don't think she had permission. Hold on, wait 1 second.
Got a key. He gave it to
But
me.
no, it says using spare keys of which the victim was not aware. So he didn't know that she had the keys.
Or was I know where she was entering.
Right, it was at 5:50 in the morning when he was with somebody else, I believe.
That's when she went in to go hit him. Got upset. And she comes back to puncture his fourth of his friend's tires. No, I think there is probable cause for the charges. I don't see a value for the damage repairs. Ma'am, you were ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, is Jose Luna. I'm sorry, did you? There's no, it's not domestic. You were ordered to stay away from Jose Luna and Nayeli Ortiz, the alleged victims. No contact with the victims either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victims through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school, and place of employment at all times. Also, stay away from the victim's home at 1335 Northwest 21st Terrace, in Miami. Do you understand the stay away? Yeah. Alright, so I believe state filed a motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing. There is probable cause for the charge, as it's a crime punishable by life in prison. I'm going to grant the state's motion. Yes, I don't have a choice.
Your Honor, it's our understanding that the keys were given to her by the alleged victim.
They may have been given, but she didn't have permission to enter at this time at 5:50 in the morning to beat up him or hit him. Then he didn't have permission. I don't know, state, what's your position on this?
Right, so she went, the A form says that he didn't know that she had the keys. She goes into the house and she wakes him up and attacks him, and then she goes back and punctures the tires. Additionally, if you look at the defendant's criminal history, I see 4 prior domestic violence arrests.
They're old.
Right, the state's requesting that Your Honor hold the defendant.
Yeah, I'm granting the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing as to count one, the burglary with an assault or battery. It's no bond. You're gonna have to see a division judge on Monday. That judge will set a final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention. It's Judge Millian. Count two, there's probable cause for criminal mischief. I don't see a value. $150 bond on that. Good luck to you, ma'am. And state, you want to do like house arrest? She's like having a little bit of a.
No.
Your Honor, are we able to?
You know, we all have, all actions cause a reaction and a consequence. He allegedly broken the guy's house, hit him, and punctured the tires. With that being said, I'm feeling benevolent today. How about I deny the motion and have him press alternate no bond?
That would be incredible, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'll give her a break today. House arrest. You need to stay away from him because if you contact him or the new lady friend in any way, You get rearrested, you will be held in jail with no bond.
Judge, it is over state's objection.
Okay, house arrest, alternate bond, no bond, count one, $150, count two. Level
Your Honor, at
three,
least do level 2.
no. Level 3 house arrest with the curfew, 11 p.m. to 6 a.m.
It's over state's objection.
Alternate. Good luck to you. Stay away from. Oh, I get some things. See this? Thank you so much for the opportunity. Please stay away from him so you don't have to go back to jail. Thank you.